Garlic. A member of the lily family, garlic was called Allium in Latin and bears the modern scientific name Allium sativum. Romance languages, descended as they are from Latin, refer to it with words that are clearly derived from Allium Anglo-Italian, L in French, ayo in Spanish, albo in Portuguese, aloe in Galician, and I-O in Provençal, of which the aloe, the garlic-flavored mayonnaise on Italy, comes from. Garlic has been considered a natural remedy for many illnesses, including bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. The antibiotic activity of garlic has been associated with its primary active ingredient, thiosulfane allicin, but there are other active ingredients that have been found to have antibiotic properties, including polysulfones, which have been shown to kill certain cancer cells. Scientists are still trying to understand the exact biological activity of these polysulfides and may be hopeful that this understanding will lead to natural antibiotics, fungicides, and anti-cancer agents with fewer side effects. Where to buy garlic? Garlic can be bought online or at any supermarket. How to take garlic? The easiest way to experience the slimming effect of garlic is to add fresh cloves to regular food. However, if you wish, you can mix with 200 ml of pure non-carbonated water of room temperature and drink it immediately. It is recommended to consume such a drink after the morning awakening and before bedtime. Garlic weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, half a cup lemon juice, half a cup of honey. How to prepare? Fill a saucepan with 3 cups of water. Add garlic cloves that have been peeled and cut in half. Bring the water to a boil. Remove from heat and add lemon juice and honey. Take out the garlic and serve warm or store to reheat for later. Benefits: garlic is responsible for boosting energy levels that burn all the calories, keeping you fitter. It is known to boost your metabolism, further helping you lose weight effectively. Garlic is a known appetite suppressant. It helps keep you fuller for longer, further preventing you from overeating. It is a great detoxifying agent. It helps to flush out toxins that can be a hindrance to your digestive system. So, including garlic into your diet will also keep your digestive system in check. Precaution: do not eat a lot of garlic if you suffer from diseases of the capillaries, bleeding disorders, and chronic plethora syndrome. Increased use of garlic can cause blood thinning. Therefore, the popular recipe for treatment, for example, bleeding gums with garlic, is ambiguous and requires a professional doctor's assessment. Women should not eat a lot of garlic during pregnancy. Also, if you have unpleasant problems with intestinal function, then do not eat garlic too. It can easily irritate any mucous membranes of the internal organs. Also, garlic is contraindicated to people who suffer from diseases of the kidneys. It is recommended to use it with caution in gastritis and ulcers. And not to forget that garlic contributes to the accumulation of gases in the intestines. Before you add this plant to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to be sure garlic is safe for you.